Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about top 14 foods to keep you hydrated and healthy. Staying hydrated isn't just about drinking water, you get about 20% of your daily water from food. Certain foods are great for hydration, providing water slowly while giving you nutrients. 1. Cucumbers. With 95% water, they're low in calories and may help fight inflammation. Perfect for salads or dips. 2. Carrots. Surprisingly, they're 90% water and packed with beta-carotene, which supports your heart and help prevent cancer. Great as a snack or in salads. 3. Zucchini. Also 95% water, zucchini is full of antioxidants that protect your eyes. Try it grilled or roasted. 4. Iceberg lettuce. It's 95% water and gives you fiber and essential minerals like potassium and calcium, keeping you healthy. 5. Spinach. Loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, spinach helps fight inflammation and cancer. Use it in salads or sauté it. 6. Celery. Crunchy and 95% water, celery is low in calories, high in fiber and great for digestion. 7. Cauliflower. It's 92% water and rich in vitamins C and K, helping lower cholesterol and help prevent cancer. Roasting it preserves the nutrients. 8. Soup. Soup is an easy way to stay hydrated and get fiber. Chicken soup, in particular, can even help fight colds. 9. Tomatoes. At 95% water, tomatoes add flavor and are packed with antioxidants that boost heart health and may fight cancer. 10. Watermelon. This summer favorite is 91% water and helps quench thirst while protecting your skin from sun damage. 11. Strawberries. Also 91% water, strawberries are full of antioxidants that support brain health. Enjoy them in salads or as a dessert. 12. Yogurt. With 85% water, it's packed with protein and probiotics that aid digestion and keep you hydrated. 13. Oatmeal. Made with water or milk, oatmeal hydrates and boosts heart health, helping lower cholesterol and fight diabetes. 14. Grapefruit. At 90% water, grapefruit keeps you hydrated and gives a boost of vitamin C, but check with your doctor if you're on medications. These foods help keep you hydrated while offering a range of health benefits. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.